What? What kind of nonsense is this? Jesus! Please. Look at your mouth. See, I don't have time. The only thing I will need from you is to pay for this, for my food.
So please, I don't have any money with me now. Please, sir, I'm begging you. It wasn't intentional now. It wasn't intentional.
Listen, this rice is 10,000. You are going to pay for. Just give me the money.
Please, I don't have money with me. Please.
Oh, you think I'm playing? You think I'm playing? See,
sir,
I don't
please
have.
now, please.
You are going to pay. I don't want your please. I don't want to listen to any please here. Just give me 10,000. Let me go.
Sir, I don't have 10,000 with me now.
You don't have 10,000. You are dressing like this.
I don't have.
Look up here. Look at the way she's dressed. Looking for somebody
please, I'm not a hook up girl. Please.
Listen, I don't want to listen to whatever crap nonsense you want to tell me. The only thing I want to hear is that you are going to just anyhow. Just give me 10,000. Let me go.
Sir, please, I don't have 10,000. The only money I have with me is 500. Please, sir.
You must give me 10,000.
Sir, I don't have 10,000.
You are going to give me 10,000.
I don't have. Where will I get that money from? I don't have. I only have 500 with me. Please.
Look at this one. You're not even serious. He's telling me you have 500.
Sir, please. That is the only money I have with me.
What will 500 buy? What will no, tell me, what will 500 buy? In this hard time. You are giving me 500. You even say, let me give him 9,500. At least I will know that you are making effort. You are trying to, you really want to pay.
Eh? Please, just manage it. Please, just manage it.
Listen, don't even bring that 500. Don't even show me that 500 because I'm very, very angry. Just pay me 10,000. Let me just go my way, JJ.
Sir, please just manage this 500. This is the only money I have with
I'm talking, you're still showing me this, your miserable 500.
Please,
you're showing me this 500.
Just manage it. This is all I have on me, please.
I'm pretty sure that this is the money they pay you for short time. Rose girl, look at her face.
God have mercy upon us.
Give it to me. I would even take your phone. Rose girl. Look at the slippers she's even wearing. Nonsense. Hey! Yeah! Hey! This girl put me in trouble.
Can you see her life? Hey. Can you see? I was there watching you. I was there looking at you. Torturing my wife. Because she bought this common rights.
Hey!
You took her money. You took her phone. You even took her footwear. You. And okay, now you have broken my own. What am I going to do to you?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay.
Forgive me.
You know what?
I didn't know she's your
No. Keep the sorry.
Please, forgive me. Forgive me, sir. I didn't know she's
your wife. Is anybody kneeling down? Can you stand up first?
Please, sir.
You don't want me to kneel down for you? Okay. You know, the whole thing is going to end now. Nonsense. Come on, follow me. Take me to the barracks. Then you are going to smell shit. Hey! Come on.
Madam, I beg him.
No,
beg him for
I am not going to beg you. Harassing me too. No.
I don't finish. I beg him now.
No, I'm not going to beg.
Hey!